One of the most important ecosystems that you study as a digital marketer is the Google ecosystem. But before we study that, you should know about the company itself. How did Google become Google? For that, let's revisit. The year was 1995. There were two PhD students in the Stanford University. The names were Larry Page and Sergey Brin. They were trying to investigate if they can rank web pages. To simplify things, let me give you an example. How do you understand who is the more popular leader in a typical class of 50 students? Let's say there is Sam and let's say there is Ram. How do you determine if Sam is more popular than Ram or vice versa? For this, you would probably take a vote and see how many votes do each of them get. If Sam got 30 votes and Ram got 20, you would say that Sam is more popular than Ram. Larry Page and Sergey Brin applied this concept of popularity in the world of internet. How did they do so? For every page, they started measuring something called as backlinks. If page 1 is having 10 backlinks, meaning 10 different people have said that this page is an authority on a particular topic versus 5 backlinks for a page 2, then page 1 is more popular than page 2. This was their PhD thesis. And they tried to automate this level of ranking for millions of web pages. This concept and this algorithm is known as PageRank. More details about PageRank can be found in the link section below. PageRank can be beautifully explained as the single most effective way to rank and check the popularity, in fact check the relative popularity between two web pages. Because Larry Page and Sergey Brin automated this ranking of web pages, their search engine became much more accurate for many keywords. During that time, the most popular search engines were engines like Yahoo, engines like Ask, and many such other search engines. All of those search engines relied on editorial help to rank search engine results. Google was the first one to come up with an automated algorithm to rank pages. Because of this, Google could deliver search engine rankings more accurately and quicker than anyone else. And that led to more and more people starting to prefer Google as a search engine. Note that Yahoo and Ask Jeeves, all these apps were not bad. They did a very good job for the popular searches. But when it came to searches which were not known to editors, for example, if someone is searching for penthouses in Johannesburg, South Africa, probably editors sitting in USA would not know which is the best penthouse in South Africa. So they couldn't give a good answer to such kind of a search query. But Google, with its automation of ranking, could deliver a better job than all those editorial content driven search engines. And that's where Google started growing. Then 1997, 1998 was a period when Google did a contract with Yahoo, the then most popular website in the world, to become their search engine on their search bar. That again led to tremendous boost in Google's authority, Google's popularity, Google's credibility as a search engine provider, and many people started using Google as their search engine of their choice. Google did not stop at this. Google started using web search engine capability and the fact that they can deliver search results fast and started applying to other forms of content. For example, Google acquired a nice little video company called YouTube. YouTube was about uploading user-driven content, free videos for everyone. Now, for Google, YouTube became a great destination to apply their search engine logic in the context of videos. Similarly, Google invested in creating brilliant products like Google Maps, like Gmail in the future, like Google Chrome in the future. And they created an ecosystem wherein every product that requires free and fast and accurate search can be built by Google. How does search engine become important for Gmail? Before Gmail, all email accounts were offering small inbox sizes, 5 MB, 10 MB, that levels. Gmail said that, okay, I can offer a 1 GB of inbox size and I can offer you searches that were reliable. That's why so many people shifted to Gmail. Google Chrome, the search browser, the web browser became a search engine. So that way Google gave more and more people access to their search engine in a more easier manner. Google created search engines specifically tailored to their websites, plus other websites also. A lot of universally available popular websites started using Google search as their search engine. That delivered Google unparalleled reach and that delivered Google unparalleled data in terms of what is getting searched, what is popular, what is more authoritative in terms of all over the world. And this is Google's core competitive advantage, that Google understands and Google has extensive reach into what people are searching for. This makes Google a fantastic destination for all of us advertisers to reach out to people who are searching for our content, searching for our keywords, searching for our key phrases. And that is what makes Google very, very important. If you look at the AIDA model, AIDA, a typical Google search would lie somewhere between interest and desire. So Google search is considerably in the middle to bottom of the funnel relative to any other platform where you can deliver ads. This makes Google a very, very important, unmissable destination for us brand marketers. This is how Google became the big, dominant company that we know of it today. Now that you understand what is Google ecosystem, let's now dive deeper and understand what is SEO, what is SEM, and how can SEO and SEM help my business grow bigger.
I hope you are loving this course from Programming Hub. Keep learning and keep sharing. To learn more from us, hit on the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you get the latest updates from Programming Hub.